So as we look at these, you've got a black color, a purple color, and a red color. Does it matter which one you start first, or work from top down? You tell me. Okay, so this one right here, they might not look like they're that difficult, but they're somewhat tricky in my opinion. So again, the first thing you're going to want to do, of course these are all alkanes because they're all single bond. So what's the parent chain for that top? Okay. So is this a derivative or no? No, it's part of the parent chain. So I didn't catch anybody sleeping there. This is not one methyl. Okay, so that means, well, what are we going to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So there are multiple answers for this. Okay. So we know we need to start with nonane because there are 9 of them. So we know we've got nonane. Okay. So with that, we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And on this third or fourth carbon is a what group? It is an isobutyl group. Okay? So we've got 4-isobutyl nonane. Now, typically last year what I would do is I'd make these all 10 carbon compounds, so then there's maybe a little more concrete. You specifically got one answer every time. Okay, well, getting the football field ready, obviously. Okay. Is there any other names that you could give to this? And there is, yes. Okay, we can go 1, 2. Okay, we could say we've got a methyl group here, but then once we get up to this fourth one, what do we got shooting that way? We got a propyl group. Okay, so then what we would have to establish is this, if you're going this direction, whether it's 1, 2 or 1, 2 in this way, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we got 2 and we've got 4, but which one comes first alphabetically? The M does, so you could have 2-methyl. Okay, and then on our fourth carbon, we've got that, what group you said? Propyl. Okay, and then of course, nonane. Right? And of course, we would not be going this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Numbers are just too big. Okay. One thing you can say those are isomers. Okay. Alrighty. Top down. So we'll go ahead and look at the black one here. What's different about that is, yes, it's still an alkane, but it is a ring structure. It's not an aromatic structure, it's just a ring structure. So the parent compound is what? Hexane, I'll agree with that. Yep, it's a ring structure, so we need cyclo. And we've got two derivatives on there. So again, we want to assign the lowest priorities. We don't just start up here at 12 o'clock. Okay. So with that, this is what derivative here, CH3. Okay. And then this one is what? Yep. It's a butyl group, but X marks the spot here. Okay. It attaches onto the second carbon. I should say maybe that X marks the spot there. So we've got SB, right? So with that, I'm sure it's hot in the band room too. Okay, so does the methyl group come first or the secondary butyl? Okay, so since there are two derivatives on here, when you name that secondary butyl, what number would you have to put there? You're assigning that division. So it needs a number 1. Okay, so that's correct. You did not fall in that trap. That you don't go by the S. Okay, because it's only isopropyl and isobutyl where you go by the prefix. Okay, so we've got 1 dash secondary butyl dash what? Okay, so we want to go clockwise, not counterclockwise. So why that's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we want 3, not 5. We catch that? Okay. Then we look at this, so it's 3 dash methyl cyclohexane. Otherwise, if we just had this, you could just say secondary butyl cyclohexane. It would just be understood that it would be on the first carbon. But since we have two derivatives on there, we have to name this. Now, do these compounds exist? Probably. Are they very common? Possibly not. But when we look at that scientific catalog, I think you would agree there are quite a few compounds in there. Okay. Questions on this one? Alrighty. Trucking right along. Okay. Now we've got this red one. I'll erase the rest of this too, even though it's a different color. Probably helps. Okay. Longest continuous chain, that might be octane. I can't remember what it was. Okay. So your parent chain is what? Okay. And how many derivatives are on this octane chain? Okay. 3. So we've got this one here. We'll just work left to right. We'll get the numbers later. Okay. So this group is what? It's 4 of them. This one is a tertiary butyl. So we'll just put TB for that. Okay. Then this one It's a halogen. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, chloral. So obviously we'll just put C for chloral. And then this one, that's a little tricky. Remember, sometimes when you see the molecular formula, there's nothing wrong with writing the structural formula. So if we go ahead and put the structural formula up top, we'll stretch them out a little bit. Here's that carbon. That hydrogen is now up there. So how many methyl groups do we have? Okay, so we'll put one there and then one here. Okay, then we have to take him off because we put the structural one up on top. And this is what type of derivative then? Say that again. Close. No. Isopropyl. That's right. So we just go IP or just I. But when you do this, which one of these prefixes, what comes first? The B, the T, the B, the I, or the P? Okay. You sure? Yes, that is correct. So this one comes first, okay? But in this prefix, remember we ignore the, you use the I, you don't go by that one. You use the iso portion of isopropyl. And then we've got C here for chloral. So now we've got derivatives on 3, 4, and 5. Or if we go this direction, we got 4, 5, and 6. So it's going that way. So now let's put it in alphabetical order. We want this one to come first. So that tertiary butyl group is on which carbon? It's on number 3. So we've got, and we want to have plenty of room here. So we got 3-T-butyl dash, then what comes next? The chloral, 4-chloral. And then 5 what? And I thought I left myself plenty of room. Isopropyl, then see how I did that? Ha ha ha. Yeah. Okay. So there's that. All right. Left side, are we good? Middle, right side. Okay. So the last thing I want to do is, well, I'm just going to put these mechanisms up on the board and we will start with those tomorrow. Okay. All right. So go ahead and just jot these down, if you would please. Okay, that is 1. And this will be the other. Okay, HT is just heat. UVLT, ultraviolet light. Those are catalysts. We'll explain why that's important tomorrow. Okay, that's all I've got. The rest of the time is yours.